Hello kids, welcome to our fun learning channel. Today we are going to learn about the water cycle. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello children, today let's meet Droppy, the little water drop. Comes along with Droppy on an amazing journey called the water cycle. That shiny sun's telling to the Droppy, "Hello Droppy, I give heat to the earth." Droppy says, "Oh, it's getting hot. I am turning into water vapor and flying up in the air." When the sun hits water, it changes into the vapor, and this process is called as a evaporation. Then Cloudy the Cloud says to the Droppy, "Welcome, Droppy. It's cool up here." Droppy says, "Yes, I'm feeling cold. I am changing back into the tiny water drops." When the water vapor cools and form a cloud, this that process we call as the condensation. Then Cloudy the Cloud says, "I am too full now." Then Droppy says, "Yes, now there is no place to stay in this cloud. I am getting falling down as a rain." When water falls from cloud as a rain, snow or haze, it is called as precipitation. Droppy says, "I am back in the river again. Some of me goes into the ground, some flows to the sea. When water collects in rivers, lakes and the ocean, it is called as collection." Droppy says, "The sun is shining again. My journey will start again and again." And that's how the water cycle goes on forever. At the end, we learn today evaporation,
Evaporation,
condensation,
condensation,
precipitation,
precipitation,
and
collection.
collection.
And this
And
goes
this
on
goes on
again
again
and
and
again.
again. This is the water cycle. Students, let's revise water cycle once again. The sun hits water in rivers, lakes, and oceans. Water changes into the water vapor and goes up. That process are called as evaporation. Here I am showing you evaporation. This is the process of evaporation. Next one is when the evaporation takes place, that vapors goes high into the sky, the vapors cools down and form a cloud. This process is called as a condensation, where I am showing here also that process are called as a condensation. Afterwards, when the clouds become heavy, water falls back to the earth as a rain. That process we called as a precipitation. We called as a precipitation. Then rainwater collects in the river and lakes and the oceans. That process we called as the collection. Then the sun hits the water again and the water cycle continues again and again. That total there are uh, four ways of the water cycle. You have to keep in mind this. So first one is evaporation, condensation, precipitation, then collection. Now kids, let's us revise the important question answers about the water cycles. So first question is about what is the water cycle? So answer is the water cycle is the continuous movement of water from the earth to the sky and back to the earth. Second question is about name the main stages of the water cycle. Answer: the main stages of the water cycles are evaporation, condensation, precipitation and collection. Third question is what is evaporation? Evaporation is the process in which water changes into the water vapor due to heat from the sun. Fourth question is about what causes evaporation. Answer is heat from the sun causes evaporation. Next question is about what is the condensation. So answer is condensation is the process in which water vapor cools down and changes into the tiny water drops to form a cloud. Sixth question, how are clouds formed? Answer, clouds are formed when water vapor cools and condenses in the sky. Seventh question, what is precipitation? Answer is precipitation is the falling of water from clouds to the earth as rain or snow or the hails. Eighth question, what is collection? Answer is collection is the stage where rainwater collects in river, lake, ponds and oceans. Ninth question, why is the water cycle important? Answer is the water cycle is important because it provides fresh water for plants, animals and humans. 10th question, does the water cycle ever stop? Answer is no. The water cycle never stops. It continues again and again. I hope you understood the water cycle. If you enjoy this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe and keep studying with us. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next class.